We're going to continue our discussion of solving multi-step equations, but rather than create a new playlist solely for that, I'm going to include it in this playlist. So let's see what we've got here. All right, here's our first example. This time, in this portion of videos, we have the variable that we're solving for showing up in more than one place. And so we're going to have to do a bit more with combining of like terms. If you have like terms that are on the same side, do the same operation that's shown. If you have like terms that are on opposite sides, then do the opposite of the operations shown. Now here, with 4x equals negative 3x plus 14, I want to get the x terms together. And let's see here. You weren't able to see the screen. Sorry about that. Let me show that for a moment. So there's the problem. And we're given three choices. So with the variable in two places, but they're on opposite sides. Here, instead of talking about signs, I'll think about for a moment opposite operations on opposite sides. Here, I'll think of the opposite sign. I'm going to add 3x. Why? Why move that x term instead of this x term? Well, this is going to give me a positive 7x. And I could identify that because of negative 3 being smaller than 4. Now, what that turns this equation into, there's only one step left, and it's like something that we've already covered. Divide both sides by 7, and we get that x equals 2. As a check, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And negative 6 plus 14 is negative 8. Positive 8, sorry. Because the one with a larger absolute value is positive. That makes sense because 4 times 2 is going to give us 8 as well on the left-hand side. So that'll check out. We have a single solution. This is a conditional equation, conditional on x equaling 2 in both spots to make the two sides equal. And let's see, you probably can't see that either. So sorry about that. There's the screen I was talking about where I typed in x equals 2, and it has accepted that answer. Okay, so what's next?